Hello students, today we are going to start class 2nd, subject computer, chapter 5, mouse types and operations. About the mouse. A computer mouse is an important part of the computer. It is an oval shaped device and it has a wire connected to it, which looks like the tail of a mouse. It is called a mouse because it looks like a real mouse. So it is a mouse and it's a part of your computer, and its shape is oval shaped device, and it have a tail like a mouse, and it also look like a real mouse. So about the mouse pad helps to move the mouse easily. You can see over here the mouse pad, the black one, it's a mouse pad, and when we put the mouse in mouse pad, it moves easily. Nowadays, a mouse can be used without a mouse pad, and nowadays the mouse are using without mouse pad. Mouse pointer. When the computer is on, we see a white arrow on the monitor. When we on the computer, on the screen, we see the white arrow on the monitor. This is the mouse pointer and we call that mouse pointer. When we move the mouse, the pointer also move. When we move the mouse left or right, up and down, the mouse pointer also moving. On the monitor, the computer mouse controls the mouse pointer and the computer mouse controlling the mouse pointer. Using the mouse, we can move the pointer anywhere on the monitor. Using the mouse, we can move the mouse pointer anywhere on the monitor. We can also point at any object on the monitor, and we can point any object in the monitor through the mouse. Now, mouse pointer shape and its action. First, to point, select and drag the object on a screen. Second, second, to show that the computer is busy, the action and the shapes will come like this, and we call that circle spinning circle. Then next, to move picture and toolbars, then to show the working process, this picture will come and insert text in a document, then to resize the window. Now, types of mouse. There are different types of computer mouse devices available. They are, first is ball mouse, second one is optical mouse, and the third one is wireless mouse. First we will learn about ball mouse. This type of mouse has a ball at the bottom. It helps to move the mouse in different directions, and it is the oldest type. You can see the picture over here. Now the second, optical mouse. This type of mouse has a red laser light at the bottom, which helps in the easy movement of the mouse. You can see the optical mouse, and at the bottom they have red laser light. Now the wireless mouse. This type of mouse does not have any wire connected to it. It works on batteries and it is connected to the computer through USB. Now, mouse buttons and its operations. A computer mouse has two buttons. First is left and the second one right. Between the two buttons, a small wheel called a scroll wheel is seen. The scroll wheel helps in moving the screen up and down. Now first we will learn about left click. When we press the left button of the mouse, it is called left click. It is used to select an object. When an object gets selected, it gets highlighted with the background color. So a left click button we call left click, and it used to select object, and when we select the object it get highlighted and with the background color. You can see over here the file is gets highlighted with background color. Now right click. When the right mouse button is pressed, it is called right click. It opens a list of options of the selected object. When we click on right click, it's called a right click button, and when we click, the list of options of search object open. Now double click. When the when the left mouse button is pressed twice at a time, is called a double click. When the left mouse button will click twice, it called a double click, and it is used to open the selected object. Now drag and drop. When we move an object on the screen by selecting and holding the left mouse button, dragging to a particular location and releasing the left button, it is called a drag and drop option. Now uses of a computer mouse. It helps to point, select and move object on the monitor. It helps to draw and color images. It also helps to play games. It helps to open an application or a program. Now we have completed the chapter. Now we will take the difficult words, and this work you have to do in your copy. First, oval shaped, mouse pointer, monitor, turn your page, ball mouse, optical mouse, wireless mouse, scroll wheel, left click and the right click, double click, drag and drop operation. Okay, now come to the now we will do the fill-ups. First, the dash helps in moving the screen up and down. Scroll wheel and the spelling SCROLLWHEEL wheel. Then the second one, double click is used to open dashed object selected, and the spelling SELECTED selected. Now turn up the page. The mouse on a laptop is called touch pad. TOUCH touch PAD pad. Then fourth, the dash opens a list of options of the selected object is right click option, and the spelling RIGST right CLICK click OPTION option. Now the match the following. First picture is of ball mouse, second picture is of optical mouse, third picture is of wireless mouse, and the fourth one is mouse pad. Now come to the true false. First, the left click of the mouse allow us to select an object on the screen. True. Then second, drag and drop of any object on the screen can be done by a mouse. True. The computer mouse cannot control the pointer on the screen. False. A computer mouse cannot be moved without mouse pad. True. Now choose the correct answer. This helps in moving the screen up and down is mouse pad. Second, which of the following is an optical mouse is the second picture. Now question answers, and the question answer you have to do in your copy. after your difficult words. First question, mention the different button present on a mouse. A computer mouse has two buttons, left button and the right button. Second question, which button should be pressed on the mouse to select an object on the screen? Left mouse button should be present on the mouse to select an object on the screen. Third, which button should be pressed on the mouse to move an object on the screen? Mouse pointer button should be pressed on the mouse to move an object on the screen. Third, name 3 types of computer mouse device. The 3 type of computer mouse devices are, first is ball mouse, optical mouse and the wireless mouse. Okay, so this is your question answer and you have to do in your copy with the difficult words. Now come to the page number 42. Here they have given you the activity corner. Connect the computer mouse to the CPU. So here in that mouse shape, they have a CPU inside and the mouse outside. You have to bring this mouse to the CPU. Okay, and this is your homework. Thank you.